So, hello guys. So, in this vlog, I'm going to show you or demonstrate to you kung paano mag-install ng JIT. Okay? Ayan. So, as you would notice, so i-hide ko lang to. I'm running Windows operating system over a Windows operating system. Okay? So, with the help of the virtual machine na virtual box. Okay? So, that's the VM software na ginagamit ko, which is the VirtualBox, and it's free. So I'm using it because I don't want to mess up with my with my main operating system. So parang sa development, okay, so before you test something, it's good to have, or before you install something, it's good to have this VirtualBox kasi diyan mo matitest lahat yung mga software. Okay? Ayan, so for development purposes lang naman to and testing, okay. So tuloy na natin. So here, so open natin yung Google Chrome, then I'm be looking for JIT. Ayan. So as you can see, ang hinahanap ko is 2.35. So kung hindi ko hanapin yan, then basically ganito yung lalabas, 2.38. So since ang gamit ko as of the moment is 2.35, so we will stick with that. So JIT 2.35. Ayan. Ayun. So, version download for Windows. So, yun yung hanapin natin. So, nasa Google, Google, browser ako naghahanap. Okay? So, dito hanapin natin yung, ito, yung sa may file horse na lang. Okay? So, click lang natin yan. And then, of course, so, ayan. So, may latest doon. So, ang gagamitin natin ay ito. So, free download. So, click lang natin. And there. Okay, then start natin. Ayan. So, pag ganito, it's better to have the uh, Brave browser para wala nang pop-up. Okay? Ayan. So, ayan. So, downloaded na siya. So, show all natin. Anyway, bakit kailangan natin to? So, diniscuss ko na kanina. So, for us to simulate the command line interface using the bash. Okay? Ayan. So, ayan. So, ayan. Gagawin natin dito. Double click lang natin. Okay? Then, just click yes. Okay? Ayan. And then, ayan. So, meron tayong, dyan, information. So, you just read that. So, it's just, parang terms and conditions. Okay? Then, click next. And then, make sure na nasa C program files JIT. Ayan. So, dyan niya i-install. And then, additional icons on the, So, para hindi na tayo malito, we just click the default. So, yan na po yung default niya. Okay? And then, ayan. So, if you'd like to select a different folder, blah, blah, blah. Ayan. So, in our case, default pa rin JIT yung gagamitin natin. Okay? And for this, click next lang. So, default pa rin. Let JIT decide. Ayan. So, ayan pa rin. So, sabi nga lang dyan, this option adds only some minimal JIT wrappers to your path to avoid cluttering your environment. Okay? So, yan. Yan pa rin yung default. And then, yan, use bundled open SSH. Okay, lagay lang natin, hayaan lang natin yan. Then, that one, use the open SSL. Okay, check out Windows style, commit Unix line ending. Ayan, so click lang natin. Okay, then, default lang natin yan. Then, click next lang. Okay, file system caching. So, dito, wala tayong i-check. So, click install na. So, ayan, so antay lang natin matapos. And then, i-check lang natin mamaya sa version niya kung na-install na siya. Okay? So, ayun. So, ito, uncheck nyo lang yan, then finish. And there. Tapos na tayo. So, ang gagawin natin, Right click lang natin dito sa ating desktop if you're using Windows. Ayan. Then git bash here. Then there. So as you can see, mag-testing tayo. Git dash dash version. Then there. Ayan. So working na yung ating Git. Okay, so that's how simply to install Git. Okay, so and I'll see you on the next vlog na lang. Okay?